Welcome to my channel. This is me Fatma Khan here and you are watching Find Color with Fatma Khan. In today's video, I'm going to paint a flower. If you are interested to know how to paint a flower in acrylics or how to make a beginner flowers or an easy flower using acrylic paints, just keep watching. And this is a complete random painting in which I've used the paints which were left after my recent painting. I just mixed those shades and it turned out into a really beautiful deep red. And yes, I'm just not into wasting my paints so much, so I decided to do a one-stroke flower painting. And here I am using my flat brush. You can take any number, any size you want to. And let me tell you, this is a very basic and easy one-stroke flower painting for beginners. So if you are a beginner, so you must try this one. I am just using simple strokes with my flat brush. Just do not forget to use a thin paint. Thick paints or paints without using water or any thinner usually do not work really good. These flowers or this kind of painting is really satisfying to make, as there is not a hard and fast rule for any stroke, for any shade or for any specific shape. You just have to go with the flow. I really hope you like my flower, my instant flower, and let me know in the comments below if you did. And do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And we will meet soon into my next video. Until then, take very good care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.